Welcome guys, my name is Omkar. I want to show you how to use AutoCAD 2016. I had started AutoCAD 2016. It has many tabs. The first tab which you are gonna see today is Home tab. This is Home tab, which contains line, polygon, circle, arc, move, copy, rotate, stretch, trim, fillet, array, etc. Text, multiline text, line leader, make current, match layer, create, edit, etc. This contains many text. I want to show you once more. You can see the Home tab of the AutoCAD version 2016. Secondly, I want to show you Insert tab, in which you can see Insert, Attribute, Edit, Create, Block, Define, Manage Block, Adjust, Clip, etc. I want to show you especially for an engineering student. In engineering, we have subject and AutoCAD. In Annotate, we can see multi-line text and dimension, standard, user, multi-ladder, etc. Mostly parametric and view, manage, output are add-ins AutoCAD 360. You require internet and which is not useful for the engineering. Express tool, features, apps, BIM 360 performance also have not used. Mostly engineering has a Home tab only. So I will show you how to use this Home tab. First of all, there is a line. You can click on it, stretch the line how much you want, and you can again click down, take wherever you want. When there is a green circle there, this means the line will join to the starting point, and it will join and it will be fully patched up. It will not end anywhere or it will not break anywhere in the center, such as this. See, the line is not opening anywhere. It has been fully joined to the first point of its starting. I want to zoom out this image now. Escape button is used to cancel the command here. Second one is in a polyline. The difference between line and polyline are many. I am going to show you one. When you select any one side of a polyline, the polyline will get fully selected. See, I had selected only this much part, the whole line gets selected. And when you select any one side of a line, the only one part will be the selected. I want to press escape to cancel my command. I want to zoom it out and I want to delete it out. Third one is a circle. There are many types of circle. Center radius circle. You can click here, enter the radius what you want. I want 10. Press enter. This will be the 10. The units are the main thing. Which unit do you want for this? For the unit, you need to adjust the unit in the AutoCAD. To adjust unit, you need to type LT, enter. You need to type UNITS, units, enter. The units will come. How much decimal do you want? Some people require 4 decimals, some require 2. That depends on the what work you are doing. How much sharpness do you want in your work? In engineering, mostly it uses 2 decimal. So I am gonna click on 2 decimal, inches, millimeters, miles. In engineering, it is required millimeters, and I wanna go and click OK. Now the line I will draw anywhere, it will be in the millimeter. See, this is, I wanna draw it 60. I will enter 60 and click enter. This is 60 millimeter line now. You can measure it. You can measure it through property bar. length is 60. For property bar you need to press MO enter. When you will press MO enter, the property bar will come. You need to select everything to come in a property bar. You can also use, suppose this is a line and you want to measure this line, how much centimeter or millimeter is this. It will not show unit but it will measure. You wanna go here, you need to go here where there is written linear. You want to click on the linear. You want to select the first starting point of a line where there will be green. You want to select the ending point of a line where there will be the green, and you want to stretch it up. This will show you the length of a line. It is small because I had not set its length. It can be bigger. If you want to make this bigger, you want to press D enter. When you will press D enter, that a tab will come where you want to go to the modify. When you will go to the modify, it will also ask the decimal, how much decimal you want. It depends on the what work you are doing and the sharpness of the work you want. You want to go to symbols and arrow. You can choose here. You can enter the arrow size 3. 3 is the better arrow size. It will be the 3 millimeter now. Text size. You can also enter text size 3. It will be also okay. Feet unit primary. And at the last unit to tolerance. There are the many tabs inside the dimension. Lines, symbols, arrow, text, feet. You need to only adjust the symbol, arrow, text and feet. You press OK. Close. Now when I will take the line, it will come. See, this is line 16. I don't know, you can see this is 16, but it will come the bigger. See, same had come bigger. You can also give this color. In the same where there is a color option, press D enter and color. Second thing, I wanna teach you a fillet. Fillet is a nice thing which has been invented by AutoCAD. Go to the home tab, draw any rectangle. Fillet is used in a rectangle. Take the fillet. Fillet is here. Click on enter. Here the AutoCAD asks you two options. For what things do you want in fillet? For what things you want in fillet? You must choose. It asks it in a command bar. You must choose radius. You must give radius. For example, I give here 5. Press 5 and enter. When you press 5 and enter, the fillet bar will become in a square object. The square object I will select two edges first and second. So it will create it round. The edge of the square gets rounded. I will once more use fillet. There is no need to adjust the measurement. I will just click on fillet, select two lines. It will be 5 only. This semicircle, this quarter circle will be 5 from its center. And if you want to measure it, you can go to the linear here. Click on the right click. You can go to the radius or arc length. For quarter circle there is a radius. You can go to this. See, the radius is 5. You measure quarter circle in the radius and the radius is 5. You can see it. You can also use the move command. This move command is to move any object. You need to first select the object. Click on any one point. Click enter. Click on any one point where you want. The object will move perpendicularly. If you press shift, the object will move in a 90 degree. By pressing shift or F8, the object will move in a ortho, means 90 degree. There is also one mirror. Mirror is a command used for copying or mirroring any object. I will show you how to use this command. I first select the object, I press enter, I will select one point and it will mirror. It will also ask you to erase the object source or not. I will say no, because you will understand it easily, and this diagram has been mirrored. And this is the uses of the mirror command. There are many commands, array, text, dimension, which are not useful many. You can create any drawing. In my next video, one diagram will become there. It will be uploaded in 2 to 3 days on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Omni. Thank you.